Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to take live motion photos on any Samsung phone. Now the method I will discuss in this video will work on supported and non-supported devices. Now for the first method, just open the camera app on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on this icon to enable live motion photos. Just like that. Now if you cannot find this icon over here, just tap the four square icon over here and tap on this icon to enable live motion photos. Just like that. Now once you enable this option, you will be able to take live motion photos with the camera of your smartphone. Just like that. Now from here, as you can see, we have successfully taken a live motion photo. Just like that. Now if your Samsung phone does not have the live motion photo feature, and if you want to take live motion photos, just go to your home screen and open the Play Store app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your smartphone. Now from here, just wait for a few seconds for this app to download. And once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now from here, just tap on grant. Now just tap on while using the app. From here, just tap on this arrow icon over here and tap on cancel. Now from here, just tap on the X icon on the screen. Now to enable live motion photos, just tap on the three dots over here. Now from here, just enable live photo and tap on OK. Now once you do that, just go back, and from here you can capture live motion photos with the camera of your smartphone. Just like that. Now just tap on while using the app. Now as you can see, we have successfully captured a live motion photo on our smartphone. Now to view the live motion photo on the Gallery app on your smartphone, just go to your home screen and open the Play Store app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just make sure to install this app on your smartphone. Now as you can see, I have already installed this app on my smartphone. If you have not installed it yet, just tap on install. And once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. Now from here, tap on get started and tap on allow. Now from here, just tap on allow. Now as you can see, this is the live motion photo we have just captured. And this is how you can take live motion photos on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.